19-year-old Chang Hoi-kyu has cerebral palsy, hypertonia, and paraplegia. But that did not stop her from taking this year's DSE, Hong Kong's university entrance exam. She passed all subjects and got a score high enough to pursue an associate's degree program.
我放咗榜之後，我就覺得鬆一口氣，有啲喜出望外。對於我嚟講，考 DSE 都係幾困難同埋大壓力嘅嘢嚟嘅。
There are various arrangements to accommodate exam takers with special needs, such as extending the test duration or allowing the use of assistive technology. Chang's medical conditions mean she can't write answers down herself. She spoke her answers out loud, so a special assistant could write them down on the exam paper. She was also granted some extra time, but only for the maths exam. But while studying on her own, Chang says she preferred to write things down herself, even though it was difficult.
本身我係口述代筆嘅，咁但係喺我喺屋企操卷，我係自己揾隻手去寫，咁就令到我嗰個思路更加清晰。如果我額外操卷嘅時間，通常都係禮拜6日，唔出街喺屋企溫先至操一份卷，我要花嘅時間。可能係半日。
Chang says exam pressure also affected her physical condition at times.
一壓力大，個人一好緊張，個身體度好緊張，可能比平時要緊，可能係緊10倍、8倍，甚至乎隻腳可能硬到係上輪椅都難嘅。心理嗰關唔係最難過嘅嗰關，反而最難過係生理上。
咁佢其實個頭腦好清晰嘅，佢需要啲乜嘢啦，佢要學到乜嘢，做到啲乜嘢，咁佢就會可以表達到出嚟嘅。即係有陣時佢代筆，究竟佢講表達一啲數學符號，有時數學上邊唔係有啲文字啊，有好多符號啦、格式啦，咁佢就要識得表達得好清楚。咁其實我哋只要就係配合佢咯。咁我有一次收功課，我自己最令我感動啊，或者驚訝，其實佢係成份係手寫俾我，數學嘅手寫。你諗下一份卷2個鐘頭15分鐘，仲要佢做唔晒，但係佢手寫交俾你，咁你又覺得唉，真係妹妹仔好努力咁樣。咁我覺得呢個位係佢真係好刻苦嘅。
Chang has not yet decided where or what she wants to study, but she hopes her experiences can inspire other students.
藉住呢個機會，同我啲師弟師妹講啦，唔好因為自己身體嘅限制，就覺得自己係唔得。你只要你努力過，就一定會有你嘅出路咯。